Today we're going to be doing some routine maintenance on our D-170. We're going to take the deck off and we're going to change the blades out. We're going to change the oil, spark plug, all just basic stuff, and get this thing ready for this next season of mowing. First thing we're going to do is put some blocks underneath. Then we're going to lower the deck. Take tension off the deck. The easiest way to get that is by using the dog leash method. And now through there. Right there. Now I lift up on the deck with one hand and pull that out just like that. There we go. Replace all these washers also. There we go. Washer and okay, so there we go. Yeah, it's already off. It just came off by itself. Okay, so what we've done is we've wedged this little block in here. And what we're going to do is get a breaker bar, put it on this and see if we cannot break the torque on that. There we go. it too hard on there, you'll never get it off. Well, we broke the torque on this one. Set up very well. Okay. It looks like we need a new spindle. Those teeth are just eating up on that one. Okay, we're going to use this screwdriver to hold the pulley still. We're going to try to take the spindle off. So we're going to put this on here. See if we can break the torque. There we go. That actually wasn't too bad. Everything's been on here factory tight. It's a relatively new machine. It's been through a lot. These aren't that bad. Okay. Easy peasy. Basically, this spindle right here, all these teeth are eating off of here. If you can see them, they're not like they're supposed to look like these teeth right here. But when you turn this thing around, you see that they're all worn off right there. See the difference between the good teeth and the bad teeth. All right, and what it does is, this is the blade. All right, and it's, hold on, that's the blade. It's worn down. You can see these teeth right here are worn down, so the blade's no good, and the spindle is no good either. So we have to replace the spindle also. We got our new spindle, and went ahead and bought some new screws, and we're going to put these things on here. since we're down here and we're doing all this work, the belt that I have has been thrown a few times and it's getting pretty loose, I believe. So we're gonna go ahead and take this cover off. These are almost everything. It's 10 millimeter on this thing. Those little bolts that hold in the spindle, those are 10 millimeter bolts. These things are not interchangeable. They only go on one way, so it's pretty easy to get it right. You got these two plastic pieces mixed up. They only go in. Sometimes they don't want to let go. There we go. So, take that out. Okay, this pulley has to be lifted up, and this pulley has to be lifted up a little bit, so you gotta loosen those up. Okay, then we'll put the other belt on there. We'll use this one too. GX 21395. It's for D-170. Okay, the best way to route this belt is to go around the outside pulleys. All right, and you go straight all the way across to this pulley. All right, then you're going to take this one and you're going to route it right along here. And then we're going to lift this guy up. This belt is going to route right in between here. You have to pull this pulley up to get it to go down in there. All right, and then this belt is going to go around this way. It's going to go around here. And it's going to go around here. And then this belt is going to attach to your pulley on the mower deck. Okay. After you get the belt routed, you want to tighten these two pulleys back down. This is a 16 millimeter. these two pulleys. Everything else uses a 10 millimeter.